Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm the owner of Cheetah Repair Services, and today I want to show you how it is to own a heavy-duty repair shop. Let's go. We have a customer outside saying that his right steering wheel making noise. Let's go check it out. He's right there outside. We'll bring him in first, and we'll keep you updated. Right there, the white truck. So that's the wheel. We're gonna take it apart and see what's going on. So I also have to do annual inspection for the guy. We'll go do paperwork and then we'll check everything. So this is how you do annual inspection. You have to fill it out. There's the sticker. But before you fill it out, you have to check and make sure that the truck is in good condition, legal to drive and everything. Okay, so it's done. Filled out, the guys checked truck, everything is good. We'll go put sticker on and let's keep going. Okay, the sticker is on. Let's check that tire he was talking about. We're gonna take out the drum to see what's inside. Well, oh yeah, see that? See where the spring was rubbing in? It's common thing. This spring has to be inside. That's what's happening. It's rubbing the metal over here. And it makes sounds. We just adjust the spring, turn it other way, and that should do it. It's not gonna rub anymore. I like how the Volvo started to do red engines. Kinda like Cummins. What do you guys think about it? It's interesting. It's a Mag though. They look nice. People say they drive smooth too. In the meanwhile, let's check his trailer. The owner said to take a look at the annual inspection. He's not sure if it's expired or not. This is our yard. See, a lot of trucks parked before the holiday. Nobody wants to drive. Understandable. Let's see. Oh wow, the driver said the paperwork must be in the trailer. Yeah. Looks like it's there. Okay, right here, February 2022, 23. He has one more month. Let's take a look at the trailer. Tires look fine. Oh, the brakes. Look at the brakes. I think it's time for them to be replaced. But they're probably not gonna do them right now because the times are not so good. So companies these days pushing as much as they can because of the market is bad. And so we do bare minimum just to keep them on the road, and of course whatever is necessarily, like to keep it legal. But usually before when you see the stuff like that, it would be like, oh my god, man, please replace it right away so I don't have to bring him back, so he can keep running and make money. Right now nobody makes money. It affects us too, but we're still there, still surviving. So this guy is gonna be next. He needs clutch adjustment. We'll do that. Then there is another truck that another customer has to take a look at. It's a Volvo right there in the graveyard. He's gonna try we're gonna try to bring it back to life. There is something with transmission, but we'll take a look. If it's not something too big, then we're gonna fix it. If it costs a lot of money, and of course it's gonna keep staying here. Oh yeah, need to call the company to pick up tires. So that's how it is pretty much. Guy with the trailer decided to do inspection because he has 1 month left. He doesn't want to deal with it later, so we'll do it right now. We'll get it done, and then we'll move to another one with a clutch. That's how Mac is made. And check this out, the bolt just popped out. One came out completely and lost, and this one, look at this, it just came off. Unbelievable. 100,000 miles. Yeah, that's the quality. They probably overtied them at the factory. Crazy. Another truck came in for inspection. We checked truck and trailer, replaced the tire over here. Did another annual inspection. Pretty much that's it. Let's keep going. Got a wheel seal on the trailer. Let's take a look how bad it is. By the way, that's how you check if the seal is leaking. Oh, look at that. That's pretty bad. See, that's how it has to look. Focus on that. Come on. And that's how it looks here. Pretty bad. I guess we'll do that. We'll replace it. Okay, so also we checked the record. This trailer alignment was never done, so we'll do an alignment also. You see, guys, to remove the hub on the trailer with the disc brakes, you have to remove the caliper first. And these guys are usually getting stuck over here. The bolts get seized. You have to heat them up really good, or come up with something different so you can unscrew it. Even heating sometimes is not helping. But yeah, work is in progress. So I guess this guy is not getting service today. I mean, no rush for him. I don't think we're gonna make it, to be honest. It's too much work came up, and it's only 3 of us today, so we'll try our best. Also, we have to get to that guy over there. Yeah. Well, wish us luck. So we ran out of fittings. Need to go get those. Yeah. I don't know how I missed it, but I'm gonna go get them right now. And I'll show you guys the store where we usually get those. Oh, by the way, guys, the store is like 5 minutes away from us. No, not 5, 8 minutes away, and we go there pretty often. That's just an emergency store. Usually we restock somewhere else in different places. This is the store, calls Action Truck Parts. That's where we get our emergency stuff, like that. Okay, so it's done. Let's go back to the shop. Okay, I just brought the parts. The guys already took care of the seal. Hopefully we'll finish in the next 20 minutes and we can move on to another stuff. So it's finished. I need to pull it out now. If you want to open your own shop, you have to know how to drive a semi-truck. There is no other way. You're gonna have to do it. And pretty often, so I will get ready for that. I will take out the trailer right now, park it somewhere there, I'll find a spot, and we'll move to other guys in, and we'll start working on them. And then we have another trailer coming for the tires, and now we got one more truck for tires too, so pretty much four more units to go. Okay, let's go. Let's take it out. We'll park it somewhere there on the side. We'll get back to it. Now we have to move on with people, because those two guys, they cannot wait, and this trailer will come back later too. Let me move this guy out. I'm gonna park over here. I hope you understood what I said. Okey-dokey. Almost. And here we go. Now let's back in. Professional, guys, professional. I used to drive a truck. Then I decided to open a shop. I thought it would be easier, but no, it is not. Not at all. Well, check this out. See? Well, let's go to the guy. I'll show you some other stuff. Okay, so this one we're gonna do 3-in-1. He got repaired over the road. And look at this, they messed it up. This side has to this side has to come from here. And also these kind are bad for winter time. They always crack when it gets cold. So I would rather for people to have rubber ones. Okay, let's do it. These are the ones we usually use, and they are the best. Okay, so Arvid is gonna do that. Let's go check other truck. That's another one that just came up. The company is gonna need it tomorrow. And it needs 4 tires. Already ordered tires. So we'll wait until we receive them, and then we'll take it apart, replace them. Yeah. That's the truck. Let's go check them out. I believe they need a second axle. All 4. Oh yeah, yeah, they are bad. Also this one is flat. Yep, Okay. Oh, hold on. This one looks flat too. Yeah. We'll take a look at that one. So now it's 4 tires. I mean 5. Oh, and that's how it is every day, guys. Every day. It's not that easy like people think. I mean, I'm not complaining, but it takes time. Okay, it's done. You guys did a good job. Checked everything. Always make sure you tie it all the way so nothing loose. You don't want problems on the road. Okay, my man, you're good to go.
Okay.
Okay, I'll open the door. And here's another one we're doing. Just came up. Need to remove everything. Camera, we're returning this truck. Camera, GPS. All small stuff. Okay, so this is another one coming up. So he's saying his heater doesn't work. We'll take a look what's going on and we'll let you know. Most common thing for not getting heater in your cab in the front is, first of all, is thermostat. But this thermostat looks new, so I don't think that's the problem. Another thing is the actual controller, the climate control thing. The heater, defroster, whatever it is. So most likely that's the problem right now. We'll take a look. Okay, and this is the another truck for the tires. We'll do them right outside. And those guys with the heater problems we'll do inside. Yeah, you see guys, we have to play around with the space. The shop is small. Hopefully we'll move next year to a bigger spot. But for now we have to struggle like this. Well, not like struggle, but yeah, it's uncomfortable. Okay, so the customer is saying that the steering wheel shakes when he drives over 45 miles per hour. It's either balancing or could be kingpins. So to check kingpins, one person has to move it and another person has to watch these kind of spots. One over there, one at the top. And if you see that the kingpin is playing, like it's moving, that means it needs to be replaced. So with this, we're gonna have to replace 2 kingpins also on the truck. Let's check out if parts are available and we'll try to do it today. Most likely we're not gonna finish today, but we'll try. That's a big job though. That's how I order parts. You look by VIN number. Last 6 of the VIN. Let's pull it up. Okay, let's see. Kingpin. Steering kingpin set. Oh, looks like they got it in stock. One set has both sides, so that should be enough for you. Let's see if aftermarket is a little cheaper. Sometimes it's cheaper, but no. See, aftermarket is even more money than original. Okay, so kingpins we got, and we also need heater, defroster, whatever they call that thing. Defroster. No. Okay, let's go to HVAC. It's not always easy to find. You have to play around. Heater, let's see like that. Plumbing, fuel system, HVAC unit. Here, probably this one. Yep, that's our guy, number 3. And it's out of stock. Well, won't be able to help them here. We tried. So we'll do kingpins only then. Actually, I'll call a couple places. We'll see. Maybe they have it in stock there. So we're gonna start taking it off. Hopefully we'll finish one today. If not, we'll keep it for tomorrow. And this one we're gonna finish today for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go pick up those kingpins at the dealership, and I think that would be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you later. Bye bye.